Hey guys, Corrections Attorney here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a bridge page for your affiliate marketing business. This is step 2. Yesterday, or in the previous video, I showed you how to set up your capture page for your affiliate marketing business or to edit a capture page. And today, I'm going to show you how to create a bridge page that you can connect that to your capture page. Let me explain what a bridge page is and why you would want one in your affiliate marketing business. Here's what a lot of affiliates do, and we're talking about increasing your sales conversions, which means the amount of sales that you're getting, or conversion, people who go to your sales page and actually buy. What a lot of affiliate marketers do is this. I have an affiliate offer here, and this is the sales page that you typically get when you're an affiliate. It's like the standard sales page that everybody else gets. And what a lot of people do is they just connect that to their capture. Nothing wrong with doing it in the beginning. For those who want more conversions, you need to learn how to make bridge pages. The reason why a bridge page does is it's going to do a few things. It's going to yourself to be able to let the person know that you're a real person that they're partnering with, and that they should literally listen to your direction to go click the button so they can get to the page like this where they can see the sales page. Okay, so the reason why this works is to be able to see that, like, if it's a page like this, there's no connection with you, right? People partner with real people, right? So they're like, well, what is this, right? They might not even read through all the stuff. But if you make a quick video on your bridge page explaining, hey, introducing yourself, hey, I'm Coach Shen. I'm so glad you're here. You want to get your credit fixed. I'm so excited to help you with this. If you got a testimony or you know some other testimonies, you could say that real quick on the video, real quick. Hey, I've helped a lot of people help get their credit score boosted with this. I'm so excited for you to actually get the same results. Click the link beneath this video so you can learn all about it and watch the full presentation. You see how easy that was? That's what a bridge page does. Okay, so they'll be less skeptical and more willing to actually go to the sales page and read it through because you told them to. You told them to. So let's go ahead and create this bridge page together. So if you want to see the funnel builder that I use to create bridge pages, capture pages, sales pages, etc., to brand me and to create my affiliate marketing business or run my affiliate marketing business, you can check out the Home Business Academy and get response beneath this video. Okay, now let's go over to the funnel builder. So we did this already where we edited the capture page. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead and create a bridge page. So the funnel builder with Home Business Academy is actually really easy, simple to use, in my opinion. So right here, we'll click on where it says funnels, and we're going to go ahead and create a bridge page. Okay. So right here, whenever you want to create a new funnel, new bridge page, new etc., you just click on add a new step. And you click on sales page. Okay. Create page. Okay. And what we're going to do is, you can see right here, it says click on that. I'm going to click on bridge pages and let it give us a template. This folder is I think is very comparable to ClickFunnels, but way cheaper. For $25 is amazing. This is my actual favorite bridge page template. This one right here. It's pretty simple. So I'm going to use this one right here where it says you're almost here. It just has a simple video and a button. That's all we need. So I'm going to select that one, and I'm going to call this Credit Bridge because that's the offer that I have. Okay, and then I'm just going to hit add. Okay, so now it's going to create me a bridge page. Okay, so I'm going to leave this as is. It says you're almost there. Watch this quick video from me before you go. What I did was to create this page, I created, hold on a second, let me make this a little bit smaller. Okay, I created a video. And remember, I told you in that video, I'm just introducing myself. Hey, my name is Shen. So glad you're here. You're most likely here because you want to, whatever it is, you want to fix your credit. You want to make more money. You want to whatever. If you have a quick story, tell it real quick. If you have a result, tell it real quick. Or if you have other people who have results, tell that real quick. And then tell them, I'm so excited to help you get those same results. If you're ready to get started getting those results, click the link beneath this video. So that you can get started today. And that's all you really have to do. Really quick. Keep it like 4 minutes or less if you can. and record that video. So I've already recorded my video, and I use Screencast-O-Matic. You could do it on your phone. It really doesn't matter like what you use to record it. So I lost my video, but I did. But I'll find it. I'll put it on my computer. So let's just say I wanted to use any other YouTube video to, I recorded my video, upload to YouTube. The way I would add that in is I would just click on here. I would hit edit video, and then I can change the YouTube link. Okay, I could literally paste the YouTube link there. And, if it was Vimeo, you would paste the Vimeo link or whatever. And then you would just click out of here. Let me just, hold on one second. Edit video. I'm going to add an extra letter just to, okay. And then let's just say that was my video. I would hit save and it will update my video. Okay, that's all you have to do. Again, this funnel builder is really simple. It's pretty drag and drop, etc. Now, the only other thing that you want to do is you want to edit this button here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this button. Let me just do it again so you can see. Click on this button, and right here where it says edit, I'm going to click on this edit, and where it says button text, I'm going to change that. I'm going to click it because this is a credit repair offer. I'm going to say fix your credit now. Fix your credit now. Okay, and I'm going to hit click out. Now it's saved, so I'm going to save that. And then the only other thing I want to do is grab my sales page hyperlink. So I'm going to click on this sales page. I'm going to grab this link, and I'm going to come right over here to this button again. And right here where it says edit link, I'm going to paste that link. Okay, so I want it to go to an external link. I'm going to paste the URL and hit select. Okay, and then hit save. All right, now if I want to test this, I can just click on this, and this is my bridge page. Okay, now again, my bridge page is just a simple page with a video that introduces me. Now you're not seeing a video right now because I did not upload my video to YouTube, but I showed you how to paste that link in there, and there will be a video from you introducing yourself, telling them why you're excited for them to pay attention to this offer, whatever it is that you're promoting. And then there's the button for them to get started. So once someone clicks on that button, boom, they get passed off to my sales page. You see how that works? So let's actually let it load. It's loading. Okay, so there it is. So now they're passed off to my sales page. Okay, so that's it. That's really what a bridge page does. Is it's a page between your capture page and your sales page where you get to introduce yourself, and you get to tell them to pay attention on the next page. You get to tell them why you're excited about the offer, rather be you got personal results, or of people who've gotten great results, and or that you love the product, the opportunity, the tool, whatever. Tell them that, and then say click the link beneath the video click the link beneath the video to get started, right? And to learn more and get started and watch the full presentation on the next video. On the next page. That's all you really want to do. Okay, so now that we've done this page, I'm going to actually copy this page. So this is my page to the bridge page. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to the capture page that we created before. Hold on one second. Let me get out of here. I'm going to go to the capture page that we created before, which was the credit repair capture page. I'm going to click on this. And what I'm going to do with that bridge page link, is loading, is right here. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click on this little gear here where it says edit settings, and where it says thank you page. That's the page they're going to go to after they click that button. I want them to go to my bridge page. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to paste my link here. Okay, select. Okay. All right, and then save. You want to save at every step, and then you want to test your funnel as well. So I just want to make sure that when someone puts in their name and email that they go to this page. We're still got to connect it to our autoresponder, but for now we just connected our link. All right, so let's go over here to this page. Let's click on it, and let's go put in our name and email. and make sure it goes straight to our sales page. So I'm going to put in my name and and I'm going to hit yes, I want to improve my credit. And boom, it goes to the sales page or the bridge page. All right. So that's how it works. You're moving people from the capture page to the bridge page. In the next video, in tomorrow's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your auto response, set up your autoresponder with 1 to 3 messages, nothing too crazy, and connect that to your capture page so that you have some emails that, like, literally as soon as someone opts into your offer, they get a welcome email from you. They know who you are and how you can help them. That's all you really need to do. If you want to add more emails over time. But for when you first set it up, you only want to add 1 to 3 emails. Okay. And then you can add more emails over time. Okay. So that's the purpose, right? We're going to do that in tomorrow's video, is set up the autoresponder. All right, guys, see you in the next one. If you're ready to get HBA Funnel Builder, it's only $25 a month. Great affiliate training in there. And you can literally use this platform to build any affiliate business, offer, opportunity, product. If you want to sell your own products, things like that, in one space. You can create web pages, websites, web pages, capture pages, all types of things like that. And you can connect it to GetResponse and Aweber. Pretty awesome to be able to do that for the price point. Because like I said, ClickFunnels is $97 a month. All the other funnel builders that I know of are more like the $57 to $67 a month price point. And to be honest, those pages, the type of pages that you can create for a lot of those midpoint capture pages or funnels, they don't look sexy like what ours do. Okay, I'm gonna be very upfront about that. I'm not gonna throw any of those companies out there, but some of those companies, like if you're trying to look professional as an affiliate marketer, you're trying to have one place where you can build your business. Some of those companies is not it, especially if it, like me, I service businesses, high-end businesses that pay me, good money to do it. I need to look like a professional. I want to look like a professional, and this allows me to do that. All right. So that's it. Smash the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.